Okay, right now we're on the assignments new template page, and from here we can create new templates, new assignment templates that we can then reuse or only use once. It really is entirely up to you. So what we can do here is we just type in the assignment title, so this is going to be link building, for example, and then what we have right down here is we've got an editing window. Now in this area here we can really add whatever we like. Let's say, for example, we give it a title, so the title might be "Please watch this video," because we can also add video in here. So let's make that bold, and I'll increase the size of that up as well. Let's say we make it that, and then I can go over to YouTube. I can then pick up a video. So this could be a private video as well, because of course, as you probably know, with YouTube, when you have a private video, anybody with a link can watch the video. So of course that means that what we can do is we can share the video and we can just get the embed code for it. So we should then be able to take that video, if it's a private video or public video, it doesn't really matter, and then we can bring it over here, and what we need to do is click on this icon that we see here. It says show source, because what we need to do is drop in the source code, which I just copied over from here, and I can then drop it in here by clicking on that, and then I'm just hitting the return key, takes us down to this space here, and I can then just paste in the code. Now it doesn't have to be a YouTube video, it can be any video from any video hosting service, but what you're looking to do is you're looking to place that video within an iframe, and an iframe is what we can see here. So as long as it's enclosed within that, you can show a video. So let's click on that icon here again, and that's going to take us to the preview. So here's the video that I just picked up from YouTube. Now of course, once we've got that in place, I mean, you don't have to have a video in there, you could just have it as text instructions if you really wanted to, it doesn't matter. Then we go down to here and we have the all important checklist. So we can just put in here like item 1, whatever that might be, and then we just click add new item. Item 2, and then we could have a link in here. Oops. And then add new item, and so on and so forth, all the way through. So each of these items here in the checklist is what you want your staff member to do for you. So they then will see this checklist, they will check off each item as they do it and record the amount of time it's taken for them to complete whatever each item might be. So each checklist item really needs to contain your instructions as to exactly what it is that you want to do for them. Okay, so once that's done, we then just click on save and continue editing or publish it, depending on at what stage you're at, whether you've completed it or not. So let's say we click on save and continue editing. So there we are with that, and we can then go on and we can add a new item in there if we wanted to, just add another item to the checklist. We can also move these things around. So let's say we wanted to move item 2 to item number 1, so I just click on up and it just pulls it up like that. And of course, as I go through, I can then save it. And once I'm ready, just hit the publish button. But what I can also do is I can also upload files, and that's going to be very easy to do. Just click on choose file, and we can choose, let's say it's going to be, let's say for argument's sake that is our file, and there it is. We can give it a title, and then upload it. And so now that particular file is then attached to that assignment. So whoever I give that assignment to, they'll see the video, they're going to get the checklist items, and they're also going to get that file as well that I've attached to this particular assignment template. So we can see there it is there, we can see the file size, we can see the date at which it was uploaded. But if we look here where it says max file size, we have it set to 8 megabytes. Now that is determined by your hosting company. For you it may be less, it may be more. Now if that isn't enough for you, what you'll need to do is contact your hosting company and ask them to increase the maximum file size that you're able to upload to your websites through their service. So really that's as simple as it is when it comes to creating assignments. So once that's done, I'm going to publish it. So this assignment is called link building. I'm going to go down here and just click on publish. And so now that's published, and we'll see it in our list. We have it there, link building. And of course, when you create an assignment directly from within OutVeo, it automatically is made live. As you can see the check mark here. It's only when you import assignments into OutVeo that it's not automatically made live. You actually have to make it live before you can then assign it to your staff members. Okay, so once that's done, I'm looking at the assignment templates page here. So this is basically now available. I can then assign it to a particular staff member. Okay, so let's quickly go back to new template page again, and we can see it's back to where we were before. Okay, so there you have it. That's how you go about adding a new assignment template to OutVeo. Thanks very much.